All right, hello. We are ready for notes. Let me get to the right page here. 5.6b. I'm on page 338. I'm going to work out 3 problems for you. I'm going to start with number 9. Now let's read the directions here in the book. Number 9's directions say, write each equation in slope-intercept form, then graph the line described by the equation. So we have 2 things to do. The first thing is write it in slope-intercept form. Now you should know by now that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where the m is the slope and the b is the y-intercept. Well, here on number 9, yes, this is number 9, I already have it in slope-intercept form, so I don't need to do that first step. It's already y equals 2/5 x minus 6. So you can tell that in place of the m, which is in front of the x, is this 2/5. So I'm going to write m is 2/5. That's my slope. In place of this b location, is this not a 6, but a negative 6. So my y-intercept is negative 6. So now I graph it. Remember, I always do the y-intercept part first. So negative 6 and the y-axis, go over and mark this point. That's 1 point. I only need 2 points. My second one comes from the slope. Rise over run, I go up 2 and right 5. So count for my first red point, up 2, right 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my second point. And there's my line. And I'm done. First thing, slope-intercept form. Second thing, graph it. Let's now do number 10. Number 10, 3, that should say, that's a mistake. 3x, I apologize. 3x minus y equals 1. That is not in slope-intercept form because it doesn't start y equals. So I'm going to move this 3x to the other side. Now remember, if you move it over, the 3x becomes minus 3x. So I'm going to bring down my minus y. Yes, bring down the minus sign too. Then I'm going to write minus 3x. That comes across. And then I bring down my plus 1. Well, do I have it in slope-intercept form? The answer is no, because of this negative out front. So I need to do this little trick, which you're familiar with. Divide by negative 1. So that gives me positive y is positive 3x minus 1. So now I'm done with my first step, slope-intercept form. Y equals 3x plus 1. Well, now let's write what's the slope. The slope is the number in front of the x. I'll circle it. In front of the x, I see a 3. The y-intercept is the number at the end. Don't say it's a 1, but rather a negative 1. Now I'm ready to graph. I always do the y-intercept part first. Y-intercept, negative 1. Go over to my graph. Mark that, negative 1 point. My slope is 3, but I want that to be a fraction. So we do this little trick, 3 over 1, which tells me I need to go up 3 and right 1. So from my first point, up 3, 1, 2, 3, over 1, ends up right there. Draw your line in, and you're done. Let's do number 11 together. Number 11. The problem in the book says 2x plus y is 4. Well, is it in slope-intercept form? No, because it doesn't start with y. So all I need to do is take this 2x and move it right there. The 2x, when I move it, becomes negative 2x. So I bring down my y equals negative 2x plus 4. And that puts it in slope-intercept form. Where my slope would be, what's in front of the x? I'll circle it. It's that negative 2. My y-intercept would be the number at the end, and that's a positive 4. Let's go over to my graph now and graph this. I always do the y-intercept part first, so y-intercept is 4, positive 4 this time. So I got to come up pi. Slope next to get my second point, and I need to make this a fraction, so over 1. Well, negative 2 does not mean go up 2, it means go down 2, but I still go right 1. I go down 2 because the 2 is negative. The 1 is still positive. So it's down and to the right. So go over to your graph, go down 2, and right 1 puts me right there. And there's my 2 points. That's the line I need. Okay, hey, thanks for watching. We'll do more of these in class.